In this video, I will show you how to use multiple Telegram accounts on the same Android device. Telegram lets you add up to 3 accounts directly in the official app, so you don't need any third-party tools. Now select Add Account, choose your country code and enter the phone number for your second account. Then enter the verification code you receive via SMS. Once it's added, you can easily switch between accounts by opening the same menu and tapping the profile you wanna use. You will also get notifications from all your active accounts at the same time. That's it. You can now manage multiple Telegram accounts on one device. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.